Hi everyone, so today we are going to demonstrate the different sounds of English. So first, we are going to pronounce the 24 consonant sounds. The first one, we have the P sounds. So it goes like this. Pa, pa. For example, pen. Second one, we have ba, ba. For example, bag. The third one, we have ta, ta. For example, time. The fourth one, we have da, da, da. For example, dog. The next one, we have ka, ka. For example, kite. The next one, we have the G sounds. So it goes like this. G, g. For example, get. The next one, we have the F sounds. So it sounds like, for example, fit. And the next one, we have the V sounds. So it sounds like V, V. For example, view. Next consonant sounds, we have the T and H. So the combination of the T and H, they have two distinct pronunciations. So let us first pronounce the first one. The TH, that sounds like, for example, thanks. The second one, we have the TH that sounds like, for example, there, those. The next one, we have the S sounds. So it sounds like, for example, sit. The next one, we have the Z, Z, Z. For example, zero. The next one, we have the S and H sounds. So the combination of these two letters is sh, sh. For example, ship. The next one, we have the Z and H. So it sounds like j, j. For example, measure, pleasure. The next one, we have the H sounds. So it sounds like ha, ha, ha. For example, home. And the next one, we have the M sounds. So it sounds like ma, ma. For example, miss. The next one, we have the N sound. So it goes like this. Na, na. For example, need. The next one, we have the nga, nga. For example, long, sing. The next one, we have the C and H sound. So the combination of the two, we have the ch, ch. For example, chapter, chain. The next one, we have the J sound. So it goes like this. J, j. For example, jump. The next one, we have the ra sound. So it goes like this. Ra, ra. For example, right. The next one, we have the Y sound. So it goes like this. Yeah, yeah. For example, yes. The next one, we have wa, wa. For example, wet. And for the last one, we have the L sound. So it goes like this. La, la. For example, feel. Let us proceed to the 12 vowel sounds. So there are 12 vowel sounds. 7 of that vowel sounds are short vowels and 5 of that are long vowels. So let us first pronounce the short vowel sounds. The first one, we have the I. I. For example, bit. The second one, we have the E. E. For example, best, best. The third one, we have the A. 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 For example, bad, hat. The fourth one, we have the A. A. For example, cup. The fifth one, we have the O. O. For example, dog. The sixth one, we have the O. O. For example, put. The last short vowel sound is the O. O. For example, potato. Potato. O. Potato. So those are the short vowel sounds. Let us proceed to the long vowel sounds. The first one, we have the E. E. For example, C. Key. The second one, we have A. A. For example, car. The third one, we have the O. O. For example, north. Ba. We have the O. O. For example, cool. Cool. And the last one, we have O. 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 For example, girl. Girl. Curl. And that is all the 24 consonant sounds and the 12 vowel sounds. Those are the sounds of English. Thank you so much for bearing with me.